Wow, nice profile. And this is from the side. Even the fuel cap. You can see the stickers, how the stickers somehow add character to it. Really, the car stands out. Welcome back, everyone. Yeah, Japanese plate. Just for the fun. I mean, after all, it is Japanese. Okay, today we're almost at the last stretch. We're done with the paint, not the perfect paint job. We already know that. We knew that from the get-go. But because we had something up our sleeve that hopefully will transform the car in a different way. And that something is a marker. Yeah, this is 8mm tip marker. So it is quite thick, if you ask me. What are we doing with that? Well, I don't know if you've seen it on YouTube or Insta or whatever it is. They call it the D paint, or the cartoon anime manga kind of paint style. So basically all what you need to do is, with a thick marker, I guess contrast color, is start drawing lines on basically the lines you see over here. Like, say for example, if you draw a line on this one and so on and so forth, that gives it the impression that it looks like if it's a cartoonish. So I'm not a left-handed, but here goes nothing. Actually, no, I don't want to stuff it up. So I guess the concept goes basically, I'm just going to show it with you live just for a bit. So we go like this, right on the edges, and we just continue as we go. And so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna start doing some basics, and I'm trying to make a bit of a space in between, that way you can see it from a distance like this. I'm gonna thicken this one, and this side needs to be thick. It's not working the way I like it. I mean, holding the camera in one hand, something like that, and continue with that. But see, it already started to look different, so I'm just gonna continue just a bit. Then after that I'll use my both hands and work on it. I don't know, can you see it properly? Apologies if you can't. Something like that, and we'll work on it slowly. Already looking better already, but I definitely need two hands. I don't want to stuff it up more. Let me work on it a bit, then I'll show you the progress so far. This is what I'm talking about. See how it looks? Not bad. Just follow the lines, and even if it's a bit curvy, that's okay. That is okay. It is expected to look cartoony, as if somebody drew it. And drawing it basically means potentially you might make a bit of a mistake here and there. I haven't completed this one, but I've only done this part just to test it out, and so far I'm impressed. Let's just go. Also, I've done the other side, the back. Check it out. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so follow the line. See, around over here there should be a line, and so on and so forth. Now I'm not saying I'm professional. This is my first time doing it, honestly, but I guess it's pretty self-explanatory. And these ones is basically just to give that impression that you've got to strike with a pen or something like that. And so this, whilst the paint is not perfect, this makes the paint a bit more acceptable. It just makes it easier for the eye and more appealing How often do you see a car looks like that? That was the whole idea, basically. Now, sadly, the Skyline doesn't have much lines on the hood. Like, it doesn't have those sharp edges. It's only those two lines over here and those two lines over here. So I had to create some. Now, I've got like some hood scoop or something like that. It would have made it a bit more appealing, but I'll work around it. I might thicken the lines over here just to make sure that it's consistent, because you see some areas it's a bit thick, the other areas not so much. So I'll try to work on it, and just to make it a bit more professional. I'm not gonna add more lines to the middle because it's not gonna make it look appealing, let's just say. So let's just keep it as is. But so far, I dig it. I actually like it. Not bad. Happy to report, it is done. The only thing I didn't mark, the spoiler. I just decided to keep it as is. But beside that, everything else is done. Even the tires. So they do have that look, and I put some stickers here and there just to add more character to it. But all in all, I'm really happy with that. I know the picture doesn't do it proper justice, but let me get it out. It's time to drive the beast out, and outside, hopefully, we'll be able to have a look at it properly. All right, we are ready. Cold start. Commence. 1, 2, 3. Oh yes. And the radio works. Let's give this one a spin. Let's just see how it feels. Nice. Alright. The only light that I have is the airbag light. This is something that I need to do. I tried to code it and erase the codes, but it doesn't seem like it's working. Let's just get this beast out and take it to the same spot. Easy, easy. Nice. There you go. And let's just get it out and reverse the beast so that we can have a look. There you go. It is reversing properly, normally. Let's just give it a bit of an angle. There you go. Brake off. There you go. I'm gonna take it slowly so that you can just see and appreciate the art. And keep in mind, this is the first time I've done something like that. I've been thinking about doing it for some time, and finally I decided to do it. See how the headlights are getting darker and darker? This is because of the sun. Wow. Nice profile. And this is from the side. Cap. You can see the stickers, how the stickers somehow add character to it. Really, really, the car stands out. And I guess that's the whole idea. I just wanted the car to basically look different than what you see normal. Just trying to find the best shot. There you go. Not bad at all. Now, if we go inside, yeah, that's a different story. Because inside, whilst the seat is working and perfect, window doesn't work for this side, and that seat looks ugly. But beside that, everything else is supposed to be in working order. So I would say I'm overall happy. See, even the tires, I've done the tires as well. So you've got that sorted as well. Really, it does look beautiful. Wrap. This one, I think black is better. A lot of people told me wrap it black, it will look better. And I tend to agree with them. I just want it to be a bit different, but I might actually go with the black at one point. We'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna stop at this point because there's nothing much I can do. The car drives well. I've cleared all the codes except for the airbag. My code reader basically can't do it, so I need to look into, probably I'll take it to a mechanic and let the mechanic handle that. But beside that, you take care of yourself, I suppose, and hunt for a new project. Until then, you take care of yourself. Yeah.